Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. Okay, so today I will give you a lot the how to conjugate the past verbs in Spanish language, because obviously we have wrapped up a lot of things, like we have wrapped up the present form of the verb. Okay, we have wrapped up the past form of the verb. Okay, so today we have a topic, okay, wherein we'll move forward with the past form of the verb, because obviously if you are in daily A1, okay, or daily A2, you have to have understand about the how to conjugate the past form of the verbs in Spanish language. Okay, all right. So let me take my camera near to my whiteboard. 1 second, yeah. 1 second, please. So I will explain to you entire pattern to in my whiteboard. Okay, so I believe this whiteboard is visible to you. Yeah, is it clear? Okay, all right. So we already have wrapped up the past form of the verbs. Okay, so like we have done present form of the verb, sorry. So we have done we have done the present form of the verb. So today we have the past tense, like how to conjugate the past form of the verb. Okay, so first verb, okay, the first verb we have, which is hablar, speak up, hablar. So here we have done, like hablar is to speak, we have done hablar. Hablar is to speak. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make a box over here. You have to make a box over here. Is that clear to you? Now, and you have to repeat after me the formula of air ending verb, the formula of AR ending verb in terms of preterite, past tense. So we have the past form of the verb is preterite in Spanish. Is that clear to you? So we have like preterite. So what you can say, you have a formula. So speak up. A haste a, speak up. A, because this is a formula of preterite, air ending verb. Okay, A haste o, speak up. A haste o, amos hasteis, speak up. Amos hasteis, speak after me. Hasteis. Okay, so this is A haste o, amos hasteis Aaron. So this is the formula of my preterite, the simple past tense, if we're talking about the simple past tense. Okay, so for example, if I want to say I spoke, for example, if I want to say I spoke, okay, if I want to say I spoke, 1 second please. Okay, all right. So you can say yo hablé, speak up, yo hablé. Why hablé? Because this is my I spoke. What you have to do is you have to remove AR, you have to cut AR, and you, because this box is my your box. Okay, so you have to cut AR and you have to insert A at the end. So yo hablé. Is that clear to you? Tu hablaste, speak up. Tu hablaste, speak after me, because this is the formula of my past form of the verb. Tu hablaste. Is it clear? Él, ella, usted habló. Él, ella, speak up. Él, ella, usted habló. Él, ella, usted is my habló. Or either we can say like usted. We can put full usted habló. Is that clear to you? So I spoke, that is yo hablé, that is past form of the verb. Okay, tú hablaste, él, ella, usted habló. Is that clear to you? Nosotros hablamos. If I'm saying I spoke, sorry, we spoke, that is nosotros, because it is just, we have to see what you have to do is, again, because this is a past from the verb, you have to remove ar, and after removing the ar you left with habl. So here we have habl. See, the starting is same but the ending is a aste, o amos asteis, vosotros asteis. Is that clear to you? Okay. And ellos ellas hablaron. Speak up. Ellas hablaron. Is that clear to you? So speak after me. Yo hablé is to I spoke. Tú hablaste is to you spoke. Él, ella, usted habló is to we, he, she, and that is a formal that's a formal you. Usted habló. Nosotros hablamos. Vosotros hablasteis. It means ellas hablaron is they spoke. Is that clear to you? Is that clear? So basically this is the formula of my AR ending verb in terms of the past tense. Is that clear to you? Okay. So please pen down this. Please pen down this. Okay. So now we have a next verb, because we'll do a lot of AR ending verb. We'll do a lot of AR ending verb. Okay. For example, we have a next verb. Okay. That is abandonar. Speak up. Abandonar. Abandonar. Speak after me. Abandonar. Speak after me. Repetir por favor. That is abandonar. Abandonar is to abandon, and you have to do it yourself. Abandonar is to abandon. Is to abandon. Is that clear to you? Is to abandon. So we have, speak up, abandonar. Speak up, abandonar. Is that clear to you? So we have preterito, preterite. Basically we have a sample. Okay. So we have yo abonde. Speak up. Yo, because we have to remove AR ending verb. We have to remove, this is my preterito sample. Preterito. Speak up. Preterito. 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 Simple. Preterito simple. Okay. So here we have abandonar is to abandon. So what we'll say? Yo ab. So we have to remove AR, and we have to remove AR, and we have to, after when we remove AR, my ending would be A. Okay. If I will remove AR, my ending would be aste with two. Is that clear to you? If I will remove AR, my ending would be O with el, ella, usted, and my ending would be amos with nosotros, and my ending would be asteis with vosotros. These are my endings. Asteis, and my ending would be aron with plural. So what I will say? Yo abonde. Speak up. Yo abonde. Is that clear to you? Yo abonde. Tu abondaste. Tu abondaste. Is that clear to you? Tu abondaste. Is that clear to you? El, ella, usted. El, ella, usted. El, ella, usted. Is that clear to you? El, ella, usted. We have abondo. Speak up. Abondo. Abondo. Is that clear to you? And then we have nosotros. Abondamos. Speak up. Nosotros. Is that clear to you? We have nosotros. Abondamos. Speak up. Abondamos. abondamos. Vosotros abondasteis. Vosotros, is it clear to you? Abondasteis. And ellos, ellas, okay, abondaron. 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 Is that clear to you? So basically guys, these are the verbs. Okay, for example, you have a verb acabar. Speak up. Acabar. Speak after me. Repetir por favor. Acabar. Speak up. Acabar. So basically acabar is to complete. Speak after me. Repetir por favor. Apatar is to complete. Acabar is to finish, to complete. Is that clear to you? Speak up. Acabar. Speak after me. Acabar. If I would say that you have to convert acabar with the past form of the verb, if I will say you have to complete, that's a complete verb, okay? So what you will say? You can make it with your own sense, acabar. So now you have to do practice like this. We have a verb hace, speak up. Acelerar, speak up. Acelerar, speak up. Acelerar. Acelerar is your to accelerate. To accelerate. So you have to make these verbs in the past tense. It is just you have to remove ar and you have to pen down. After removing the ar, you have to do a, aste, o, amos, asteis, aron. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Okay. Then see, I'm giving the vocabularies now. The next verb is aclamar. Speak up. Aclamar. Aclamar is to complete. Aclamar is to acclaim. Speak up. Aclamar. Aclamar is to acclaim. So guys, what you can do is acclam is to acclaim. Speak up. Acompañar. Speak up. Acompañar. Speak after me. Speak up. Acompañar. Acompañar. Acompañar is to accompany. Acompañar is to accompany. So what you have to do is now, listen to me very carefully. What you have to do is now, you have to remove this air ending. You have to remove this, because see, these are all air ending verb. Acabar, acelerar, aclamar, acompañar is to accompany, to acclaim, to accelerate, to complete. What you have to do is, you can see the ending. See, like my ending would be, see the ending. We have done a, aste, o, amos, asteis, aron. It is just you have to remove ar from the end. See, whenever you want to convert preterito, past tense, so that is you have to remove ar from the end. Once you will remove ar, so with yo you have to apply a, with tu you have to apply aste, o, amos, asteis and aron. So this is your homework now. Convert acabar in past tense, acelerar, aclamar, acompañar. How you will do this? Remove ar and make the ending a, aste, o, amos, asteis, aron. Is that clear to you? Okay. So I hope guys this video will help you, because this is a live session I'm giving to you. So this will help you in order to make a good grip in the past form of the verb. So I will come back to you right now with my next latest the past tense sentence formation. Okay. Till the time, adios, hasta luego, take care.